Struggling to achieve perfectly defined and natural-looking brows? Eyebrow products can be a game-changer in your makeup routine, but with so many options available, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. Whether you prefer pencils, pomades, or gels, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll review the top 5 best eyebrow products that deliver precision, definition, and lasting power for every brow type. Stick around to discover which one will be your new go-to. Kicking off our list at number 1, NYX Micro Brow Pencil. The NYX Micro Brow Pencil is a budget-friendly gem that has gained cult status for its precision and ease of use. This pencil is designed for creating hair-like strokes, making it perfect for filling in sparse areas or achieving a full, natural-looking brow. Key features: this pencil features an ultrafine tip that allows you to create precise, hair-like strokes. It comes in a wide range of shades, ensuring a perfect match for every hair color. The formula is smudge-proof and long-wearing, meaning your brows stay put throughout the day. Additionally, it includes a spoolie brush for blending and grooming. Benefits and usage: the NYX Micro Brow Pencil is ideal for anyone who wants to fill in sparse areas without their brows looking overdone. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike, thanks to its easy-to-control design. Use light, feathery strokes to mimic natural brow hairs and finish with the spoolie for a polished look. Usability: this pencil is incredibly user-friendly. Its slim design allows for precise application, and the built-in spoolie brush makes it convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. Whether you prefer bold, defined brows or a more natural look, this pencil has you covered. Durability: the NYX Micro Brow Pencil is known for its staying power. It resists smudging and fading, even on oily skin or during hot weather. You can count on it to keep your brows looking flawless all day long without needing frequent touch-ups. In the second spot, we have Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade. The Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade is a highly pigmented product that delivers bold, defined brows with a long-lasting finish. Perfect for those who want a dramatic brow look, this pomade is a favorite among makeup lovers for its versatility and durability. Key features: this pomade features a creamy, waterproof formula that glides on effortlessly. It comes with a dual-ended brush that includes an angled tip for precise application and a spoolie for blending. Available in multiple shades, it caters to a variety of hair colors and undertones. Benefits and usage: the Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade is ideal for creating bold, sculpted brows. Dip the angled brush into the pomade and outline your brows for a defined shape. Fill in any sparse areas and use the spoolie to blend for a natural finish. Its waterproof formula makes it perfect for all-day wear, even in humid conditions. Usability: this pomade is great for those who want more control over their brow shape. While it may require a bit of practice for beginners, its creamy texture ensures smooth application, and the dual-ended brush makes the process easy and precise. Durability: the Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade lives up to its name, offering long-lasting wear that stays put through sweat, rain, and humidity. Its waterproof formula ensures your brows remain bold and beautiful all day long, making it a reliable choice for busy days or special occasions. Coming in at number 3 is the Glossier Boy Brow. The Glossier Boy Brow is a cult favorite brow gel that's all about enhancing your natural brows. This product is designed to thicken, shape, and groom your brows while keeping them looking soft and natural. Key features: the Boy Brow features a creamy, wax-like formula that doesn't stiffen or flake. It comes in a small tube with a precise brush for easy application. Available in multiple shades and a clear option, it works for all brow colors and preferences. Its formula is designed to condition your brows while holding them in place. Benefits and usage: this brow gel is perfect for anyone who loves the fluffy brow trend or wants a quick and easy way to groom their brows. Simply brush the product through your brows in an upward motion to add volume and shape. The result is fuller, more defined brows that still look soft and natural. Usability: the Boy Brow is extremely beginner-friendly. Its small brush allows for precise application, and the formula is forgiving, making it hard to overdo. Whether you're rushing out the door or perfecting a full face of makeup, this gel gets the job done effortlessly. Durability: while the Boy Brow offers a more natural hold, it still provides impressive staying power. It keeps your brows groomed and in place throughout the day without flaking or fading. It's a great choice for anyone seeking low maintenance, reliable performance. Taking our fourth spot is e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. The e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil is an affordable option that delivers high-quality results. Designed for quick and easy application, this pencil is perfect for filling in sparse brows and adding definition without breaking the bank. Key features: this pencil features a retractable design with a fine tip for precision. It also includes a spoolie brush for blending and grooming. Available in a range of shades, the formula is smooth and pigmented, allowing for easy application and buildable coverage. Benefits and usage: the Instant Lift Brow Pencil is perfect for creating a natural or bold brow look in minutes. Use the fine tip to outline your brows and fill in any gaps with light strokes. Blend with the spoolie for a seamless finish. It's an excellent choice for quick touch-ups or full makeup looks. Usability: this pencil is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Its retractable design eliminates the need for sharpening, and the spoolie brush makes blending effortless. It's compact and travel-friendly, making it a great addition to any makeup bag. Durability: while the Instant Lift Brow Pencil is budget-friendly, it doesn't compromise on staying power. It holds up well throughout the day, resisting smudging and fading. It's a reliable option for anyone looking for a long-lasting, affordable brow product. And finally, at number 5, we have BrowGal Insta Gel. The BrowGal Insta Gel is a high-performance brow gel that delivers a strong hold and a polished finish. Perfect for taming unruly brows or setting your brow makeup, this gel is a must-have for anyone who wants well-groomed, defined brows. Key features: this brow gel features a lightweight, non-sticky formula that provides a strong hold without feeling stiff. It comes with a precision brush that makes application easy and mess-free. Available in tinted and clear options, it caters to a variety of brow needs and preferences. Benefits and usage: the Insta-Gel is perfect for setting your brows in place after filling them in or for grooming them on its own. Brush the gel through your brows in an upward motion to add definition and hold. The tinted options can add subtle color, while the clear gel is great for a natural look. Usability: this gel is incredibly easy to use and works well as the final step in your brow routine. Its precise brush ensures even application, and its lightweight formula doesn't clump or flake. It's a versatile product that works for both minimalist and full glam looks. Durability: the Insta-Gel offers impressive staying power, keeping your brows in place all day long. Its strong hold resists humidity and smudging, making it a dependable choice for any occasion. Whether you're headed to work or a night out, this gel has you covered. Achieving the perfect brows doesn't have to be a challenge. With these top 5 eyebrow products, you can find the perfect match for your style and needs. Whether you prefer pencils, pomades, or gels, each of these products offers something unique. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.